Hey there, money-savvy viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech and finance tips to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to send money from PayMaya to GCash in 2025. With the ever-evolving world of digital wallets, this process has become faster and more secure than ever. Whether you're sending cash to a friend, family, or for business, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring funds in no time. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you have the PayMaya app installed on your smartphone and that it's updated to the latest 2025 version for seamless transactions. Open the app and log in using your PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID. Security is key, so double-check that's all set. Once you're logged in, navigate to the main menu and look for the Send Money or Transfer option. It's usually front and center for easy access. Tap on that, and you'll see a list of options for where you can send your money. Select Bank Transfer or e-wallet, and then choose GCash from the available partners. PayMaya has partnered with GCash to make this super straightforward. Next, enter the recipient's GCash mobile number. Double-check this to avoid any mistakes, nothing worse than sending money to the wrong person. Then, input the amount you want to send. You'll see any applicable fees up front, so keep an eye on that for 2025's updated rates. Before confirming, review the details, the amount, recipient, and your PayMaya balance. Hit Confirm, and enter your transaction PIN for added security. Boom! The money should be on its way instantly or within minutes, depending on network conditions. A quick tip for 2025, always check your transaction history in both apps to confirm the transfer. If you're new to this, remember that PayMaya might require sufficient funds in your account, so top up if needed. And that's it, folks. You've just mastered sending money from PayMaya to GCash. It's quick, convenient, and perfect for our fast-paced world. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.